All right, so now that the hood's up, one of the first things you want to do is just make sure you clean the area. If you have any debris around, just get it off of there. We're going to slide this clip this way, which will unlock. Just like that. Grab this tab with your thumb, pull this off. 8mm or flathead screwdriver. On this wiring harness right here, there's 2 squeeze tabs, one up top, one down bottom. Squeeze them together and pull it off. Set that aside. Remove these 4 bolts. Grab your throttle body. You have your gasket area on the intake. Take your rag, just clean it up. Make sure you don't have any debris on that. Take your throttle body and start installing your bolts. So now we'll just snug up these bolts. So we're going to torque these down to 65 inch-pounds with our 10mm. Torqued. Grab our connector, bring it over. Slide it right in. Make sure it's locked by giving it a tug. That feels great. We're going to grab this, get that out of the way, slide that in as far as it can go, snug this up. Take your wiring harness, click it on, lock it in. All right, so now you're going to want to get in the vehicle, start it up, check for an idle, make sure it's idling perfectly and smoothly, and you also want to make sure you don't have a check engine light on.